Hello, friends. Good morning. Hope you are excited and doing good. A happy new year to everyone. Have a great and fabulous year ahead. Today's point of discussion is how the supply chain analytics will be in 26, driving smarter, more resilient operations. The supply chain is no longer just about data, it's about predicting the future, powered by AI, machine learning, and real time insights that helps organizations anticipate disruptions, optimize inventory, and respond faster than even before. Companies that leverage advanced analytics can reduce cost, improve customer satisfaction, and stay agile in an unpredictable global market. In 26, supply chain success belongs to those who turn data into action and insights into competitive advantage. Why supply chain analytics matters now more than ever before. In today's fast changing world, supply chain analytics matters more than ever. Global disruptions, rising costs, and changing customer expectations have made traditional planning outdated. With supply chain analytics, business can turn data into clear insights, predicting demand, reducing delays, and optimizing inventory in real time. It helps organizations respond faster to disruptions, improve efficiency, and cut unnecessary cost. From sourcing raw materials to delivering the final product, analytics bring visibility and control across the supply chain. In data-driven economy, companies that leverage supply chain analytics don't just survive, they gain a powerful competitive advantage. The road ahead belongs to those who dare to innovate. As we step in 26 and beyond, change is no longer optional, it's essential. Technology is evolving faster than ever, reshaping how we work, think, and grow. From AI to data driven decisions, innovation is the key to staying relevant and resilient. Organizations and individuals who embrace learning, adaptability, and creativity will not just survive, they will thrive. The future favors bold ideas, smart execution, and a mindset ready for transformation. So invest in skills, trust data, and stay curious, guys, because the road ahead isn't just coming, it's already here. Friends, be ready. 26 is coming. To summarize, supply chain analytics turns data into powerful decisions. It helps organizations forecast demand accurately, optimize inventory, reduce cost, and improve delivery performance. By using descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics, business gain real-time visibility across procurement, production, and logistics. The key takeaway is simple: data-driven supply chains are faster, smarter, and more resilient. In today's competitive world, analytics is no longer optional. It's necessary for sustainable growth. If you found this overview helpful, please like my video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more insights on analytics and data-driven strategies. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay healthy, keep growing. Thanks.